trying to get
Is
the
my
man.
camera adjusted? I want to make sure it's straight. All right, I think that's good. What's good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at FRANKY Collects. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, we are going to talk about the Yeezy 350 V2 Asriels. As you guys know from all over media, ADIDAS has changed the name to Asriels to Carbon. If you guys want to see a full in-depth review of this sneaker, make sure you guys go check out my YouTube page. I do have a full review of the sneaker and as well as an on feet. I appreciate all the love and support you guys been giving me on that last video. Thank you so much. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're on the road to 4,000 subscribers, so I appreciate all the OGs and everyone that's been rocking with me. But like I said, man, if you guys enjoy these videos when it comes to Yeezy news, make sure you guys smash that like button because it really helps the channel grow. I do want to share a sneaker with you as well. My last video did get taken down because of some copyright reason. Super dumb, but is what it is. I'll give you guys a little bit more updates about the sneaker. It is coming out still on October 3rd. You guys already know it did get moved, and as well as it's coming out with infants, preschool, kids, and men's, women's sizes. So it's going to be available for everybody. I'm not sure when it comes to the quantity. A lot of you guys been messaging me on IG about the quantity. Is it going to be limited? Is it going to be a general release? I think this one is definitely going to hold value for future reference. If a lot of people are going to ask if you should hold or sell, definitely a really good hold, just because we're going into the fall and winter season. They are not coming out with an all reflective pair. A lot of you guys been asking me on IG as well. They are only coming out with a non-reflective pair. The next 350 V2 that is going to be coming out with a reflective, I believe, is the 350 V2 ADIDAS. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, so do not judge me. That is coming out in mid-October, I believe, like October 24th. Correct me if I'm wrong. This upcoming fall and winter season is going to be a really crazy couple months for Yeezy line. A lot of Yeezys coming out, Quantums, 380s, 700 V3s, just more colorways coming out. I'm really excited about that. You guys are gonna see some restocks in the future as well, so make sure you guys stay tuned with that. I'll definitely give you guys more news about that as well. So like I said, yes, that is pretty much the big news, that Yeezy and Kanye, ADIDAS, has changed the name Asriels to Carbon. Not sure why. It sounds pretty normal to me because all these weird names that, you know, ADIDAS have been coming up with. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions if you guys are gonna go after this shoe. I really want to know your guys' thoughts, so make sure you guys leave a comment down below in the comment section below. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into this little unboxing. Like I said, I did post a video on these yesterday, but like I said, it got taken down because of copyright reasons. As you guys can see from the box, it is a Jordan box, no Yeezy here, just a Jordan 3. This is definitely a very underrated Jordan 3 in my opinion. I think these will definitely go up in value in the near future. As you guys can see, the laser orange, I believe that's what they call these Jordan 3s. Definitely a really clean shoe. Super simple. Definitely goes with my Kobe jersey that I'm going to be rocking here pretty soon. This is not the Nike Air, this is the Air Jordan logo in the back of the heel. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below what shoe are you guys excited about when it comes to Nike, Yeezy, Jordan, Asics, whatever the case may be when it comes to all these brands coming out with sneakers. I'm really excited for the fall and winter season when it comes to Yeezy. Definitely excited. I still need my first pair of slides, Yeezy slides, and Quantums. I need them in my collection. Definitely a dope colorway that is coming out this month or next month. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it because I'm really bad at names. So like I said, man, leave your guys' thoughts and opinions down below. That's pretty much it for the video. You guys already know the vibe. Make sure you guys wash your hands, stay safe, and stay healthy out there. Make sure you guys wear your mask. As always, I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll catch you guys on the next video. This is FRANKY Collects. Peace.
I got their hands on, wonder why their hands on me. Girlie, why you tripping? Why you trying to get the man? So